How to change the language on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can change the language on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, changing the language of our iPhone is quite very simple. You have to open up settings. Now once you open up settings, you can simply scroll and go to this option that says general. Now if you don't understand the language that is currently you're seeing, just look for the settings like interface or the gear icon and go there. Once you do that, right over here on the row of this 5 different rows, the 4th row is called language and region. So tap on the 4th row option here, and here you can see preferred language. Now you can choose to add more languages, but as you add more, they're not going to change. You can see the one at the top is English, so as long as it is on the top, that will be the default language. Now if you add another language and you want to make that a default, you just have to drag that to the top like this, and it will ask you for a pop-up to continue it. I'm just going to cancel it right now because I do not want to change my language, but you have to drag it to the top and then your language will get successfully changed. This way you can change the language on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.